Here's a quick video on how you can verify your ID on ID.me. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Praveen Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify your ID on ID.me. Simply head into a website and then select sign in with ID.me. Once you do so, you want to tap on verify with ID.me when prompted. Then after you have been prompted, you want to sign in with your ID.me account and select self-service option. Then you want to follow the prompts to upload your US driver's license or state photo ID, or select change document to upload a passport or passport card. Once you do so here, you want to go ahead and take and submit a video selfie. Your selfie will only be used to confirm that the person in the selfie matches your government ID. After that, after you have been prompted, you want to enter your phone number and social security number. After that, you can go ahead and enter your US address if prompted. Review your information, then select yes to confirm that it is accurate. Finally, from the authorization screen, review the information that the partner will receive and then select allow to consent and to share that information with them. Once you do so, you are verified. Your ID.me wallet now holds a verified identity card that you can use to prove and share your identity anywhere that accepts ID.me. You can also use your ID.me login to securely sign in to any website and display the ID.me login button. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.